In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make professional CV resume photos with Gemini. We'll turn a regular portrait into a polished, business-ready headshot that fits LinkedIn, resumes, and job applications using Gemini's built-in image tools. I'll walk you through each click clearly and share a few helpful pointers so you get a clean, professional result. First, open your Gemini account. If you already have one, simply sign in so you land on the main interface. Make sure your internet connection is stable, since we'll be uploading an image and generating a new one. Once you're in, look for the Tools section. Click Tools to access Gemini's creative utilities. This is where the image generation features live and where you'll control the look and polish of your resume photo. Now click Create Image. This opens the image workspace. You should see options to upload or reference a photo, along with a prompt field where you'll describe the professional style you want. Next, locate the image you want to use for your resume. Choose a clear head and shoulders photo where your face is unobstructed. Good source photos typically have even lighting, no harsh shadows, and minimal distractions. Aim for a neat, formal, or business casual look. Think collared shirt, blazer, or a tidy top, and avoid busy patterns or logos. If your background is cluttered, that's fine. Gemini can help neutralize it, but try to start with a well-framed portrait for the best results. With your image selected, enter the following prompt in the text field, keeping the wording clear and direct. Use the uploaded image to generate a professional CV resume photo. Make the subject look polished and business-ready, well-lit, wearing formal or business casual attire, neutral or soft background, clear visibility of the face and shoulders, natural skin tones, and a confident but approachable expression. Ensure the final image is high resolution and suitable for LinkedIn, resumes, and job applications. Now, wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. You may see a loading indicator or progress message. Don't refresh the page or navigate away during this step. The system is aligning lighting, refining skin tones, adjusting the background, and enhancing clarity so the image looks sharp and professional. Generation time can vary depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the image, so give it a moment to complete. That's it. By opening your Gemini account, clicking Tools, selecting Create Image, choosing a strong source portrait, entering the professional prompt, and waiting for the generation to finish, you'll have a clean, high-resolution CV and resume photo ready for your professional profiles.